Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're taking a closer look at a truly essential accessory for eufy camera owners, the Delilin 25-foot power extension cable with its built-in adapter. This isn't just any charging cord. It's designed to significantly enhance the reliability and placement flexibility of your eufy security system. Its impressive compatibility is a major highlight. This cable works with a wide range of eufy devices, including popular models like the SoloCam S340, S220, E30, C210, EufyCam 3S330, 3CS300, and Indoor Cam S350, among many others. With both micro USB and USB Type-C connectors, it covers almost all eufy cameras, eliminating the worry of finding the right fit. The generous 25-foot or 7.5 meter flat cable length is a game changer. This extended reach provides unparalleled flexibility, allowing users to position cameras in optimal locations, even those out of reach of standard power outlets. For solar-powered eufy cameras, this cable offers a crucial lifeline, ensuring continuous power in spots with limited sunlight. Its flat design also makes discrete routing easier. Safety is paramount, and this Delilin cable doesn't disappoint. It incorporates an intelligent smart chip adapter that actively protects your camera during charging. This built-in safeguard prevents common issues like overcharging, overheating, and overcurrent, ensuring a safe and reliable power supply for your valuable security devices. This peace of mind is invaluable. Furthermore, this cable is built to withstand the elements. Its weatherproof design features robust waterproof silicone covers for both Type-C and micro USB ports. This superior protection means the cable can endure harsh outdoor conditions, from heavy rain and intense sunshine to extreme cold, keeping your eufy devices powered and operational year-round. It's truly designed for continuous outdoor use without compromise. The ultimate benefit of this extension cable is the promise of a 24/7 continuous power supply. For solar cameras struggling with insufficient sunlight or any eufy camera needing uninterrupted operation, this weather-resistant cord provides a constant, reliable power source. Users can say goodbye to the anxiety of a drained battery and enjoy enhanced home security protection around the clock. It transforms your battery-powered camera into a continuously powered surveillance solution, offering consistent monitoring without frequent battery swaps. This Delilin cable is a robust and thoughtful solution for anyone looking to maximize their eufy security camera's performance and reliability.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.